Okay guys, here's a quick video on how to do a cheap eBay coilover right. So you buy this for about 40 bucks for the four wheels of the car. You trash everything and you just keep this and the plastic washer. But this one is not working anymore, but you get the drill. So you go get some washers, metal ones. I just needed to pour this one a little inside to make it fit. So you can secure the spring, because this is totally not safe. And if you're going to install the top hats also, I got something else for you. So I got a T-in suspension, very common and functional. I cut about the amount that the cheap coilover will rub if the nuts were, unscrewed on here, the spring would be down here. But this amount, approximately, I cut it. Then the spring is upside down, so you can get the the part that is even on the coilover nuts, and the washer, the metal washer, to make it safe or safer. And the plastic washer is there also, and everything is greased up in the white bushing grease, like the energy suspension grease, very greased, so you can, when you want to adjust this, it won't say no because of the spring pressure. Then, because the spring is upside down, this is what will happen. Same thing that when you cut the springs to lower the car, you get a tip. And these other cheap hats, I've seen the expensive ones. They don't have a flange to secure the spring. So if you do this, you run the chance of just getting the spring out of place in the streets or off-road. So you get the OEM top hat. You cut the bushing parts, I don't know, the bushing placement parts, whatever. You hammer the bolts out. You grind it to size. So now you have a reliable, upgraded top hat that will keep the spring in place, no matter if it's an OEM spring or like this. Now you have a reliable top hat. Okay. So that's how you get it done. Now I got me some, I haven't tried it yet, but this is as cheap as it gets to get a reliable coilover, I may say, for 40 bucks and some grinding and drilling. However, you do this on your own risk. I don't recommend it for street use. I don't know what is going to happen, but there you go. 10 coilovers, homemade.